What we're going to do in this video is add some graphics, some trees, and then we're going to see problems that can happen with tile maps, and I'm going to show you how to fix that. Okay, so first of all, let's put some trees in here. We've got the game layer, and now we've got the empty graphics layer. I'm going to uncheck the graphics layer, and I'm going to just import individual graphics. So right click, insert new object, sprite, and I've got tree 3. I'm going to quickly just open all of these up because it's faster to do it this way. Tree 1. Got a dead tree. It's getting a bit crowded in here. Tree 4. I'm just going to see if I've got anything else. Nope, that's good. That's all we need right now. So I'll cancel that. Get rid of the clear graphic. And then we do need to be quite good, and so I'm just going to rename all my sprites. Plat 1. Plat 2. Tree 1. Copy that. Tree 2. Tree 3. Tree 4. Just going to check sprite is empty. Good. All right, well, we can delete that out. Check the sprites empty. Yep. Delete them out. Okay. So let's go and scatter some of these around. You can put trees, and of course, because they're on the layer below the platform, we can arrange layers to be in different places. So this could be behind that platform can be behind that one. So we're getting this 2.5D effect. What we don't want is possibly to have it on we'd have to add a sine wave, the same sign, if we want the two to stick together. So for now, let's not worry. And if I want more than one tree, I can just go Command C, Command V, paste it in, and there's my other tree, and we can start building up. If I want this tree to be in front of that tree, I can right click, go to Z order, and I can send it to the top or the bottom of the layer, just like any graphics program. All right, let's pop one of these trees and pop it over here. Perfect. Okay. Good. That's how you add graphics straight in. Let's have a look, see how he runs around the trees. Oh, he jumped out the top of the game there. This is getting quite a hard game. So we're getting a nice bit of depth happening here. Looks good.